Hi, so let's rebuild our database from scratch after a deletion or accidental server failure. So I remove the previous connection, remove server from my pgAdmin. Then I go to render.com to delete the previous database. Scroll down. This is my existing database that I want to delete now. Okay, after I delete it, now I go to new Postgres. I'll type the name of the new database I want to create. Same project. The database name will have something different that will be automatically added to differentiate from previous ones I created. Then I hit create database. So once the database has been created on render.com, I go back to pgAdmin to create a new server connection. Render.com. I don't connect now, turn it off. The host name will be the external URL. Then I'll remove anything that is not useful to this link. The database name will be the new one, and the username as well. Parameters will be SSL mode required. And I save, and then I come back to connect to the server. This time I will need the password. So there we go. Now I need my SQL scripts from the first assignment first. I will execute them step by step. First block, and that will be in public QL query tool. Second block, and then the third block. Then I can move to assignment 2. There we go.